You really watch me now. I know say Dubai the entire your eye. As a forex trader, one of the things you always wish for is to go to Dubai after you've made that bar. You understand? You understand? You want to go to Dubai, you want to flex, right? You want to enjoy yourself. Some of you is even planning to move to Dubai. So guys, if you are a financial trader, right, and you are into forex or you are into crypto or you are in the financial space, whether you are talking about affiliate marketing or you are doing drop shipping, whatever that has you, wetin carry you join finance, anything that carry you join finance, guy, this video is very important for you. Better sit down and listen, right? There is a new law. Today I was just thrown into the street of the internet. 9 people they run kitty kitty kata kata everywhere, just scatter. What is going on? What is going on? They say Dubai don't knack new law. And this law is targeted against financial traders, right? So guys, this video is going to do you good. It's good that you watch it from beginning to the end, and these are things we're going to be talking about in this video. Number one, we're going to be talking about what is this new law about. That is, it is called the Finfluencer, right? The finance or the Finfluencer, that is the name of the law. So in this video we're going to be talking about what is this Finfluencer, okay, and then why was the law enacted. That is the second thing we're going to be talking about. And then the third thing we're going to be talking about is the benefits for those that have the license, right? And then the fourth thing we're going to be talking about is who needs to apply. Who is it who needs to apply, right? And then the fifth thing we're going to be talking about is penalty for violating this law. So a lot of forex traders are running away from Dubai because of this particular law. A lot of them are fleeing, right? Because there's consequences which I'm going to be discussing in this video. So guys, you want to make sure you settle down and watch the video from the beginning to the end, because I saw this information and I felt like I should share it with you guys. It's very important because I know a lot of you guys, a lot of the mentors, forex mentors, a lot of you guys, forex traders as a whole, you guys want to go and flex in Dubai. So it's important you know this law so that you will not go there and you will never feel monkey go market, they go come back, they'll carry you for prison because you don't commit offense when you don't even know. So what is this Finfluence all about? Let's just go to my screen. Let me show you guys what I'm talking about. Finfluencer, right? So what is the UAE Finfluencer license, right? The UAE Finfluencer license is a new initiative that requires a financial influencers, often referred to as Finfluencers, to register and obtain financial approval before promoting or discussing financial topics online. This applies to anyone who shares insight on financial markets. 2. Offers investment tips or product reviews. 3. Promotes financial services or innovations. Now, let me even explain this thing to you. People that offers investment tips or product reviews, if you used to review product online, right, or you talk about brokers or anything that has to do with finance, right, this law said that you must have a Finfluence license for you to be able to enter Dubai or for you to be able to talk about it in Dubai. So except when you go to Dubai, you will not make any video pertaining such kind of things, right? Maybe you'll be able to escape it, right? But if you are planning on staying there permanent, then you better go and get the license. Okay, so for influencers, influences public opinion on financial decision through content. Okay, as you can see, just as I've mentioned earlier, if you have anything to do with creating content around finance, whether it's affiliate, whether it's drop shipping, whether it's crypto, whether it's forex trading, you need to have this license. Now those are the category of people that the license is for. Now, why was this why was this Finfluencer introduced, right? So now, according to this platform that I'm reading news from, you say that The rise of financial content across platforms such as Instagram, TikTok, YouTube, and LinkedIn has presented both opportunities and risks. With financial advice going viral in seconds, there is growing concerns over 1. Misinformation, 2. Unqualified financial recommendation, 3. Promotion of unregulated or risky investment. Yes, this is very, very key, right? The reason they are giving here is kind of valid. It's kind of actually very much valid, because there's a lot of people sharing fake content online, especially those people that promote all those scam platforms that you go there, scam investment platform, right? All those, some YouTubers, they promote a lot of platforms that are not even licensed to operate. Okay, and you as a viewer, probably you see this influencer, you like the person, you just go put in your money there, and then your money will just go down the drain, right? So the purpose for this license to be able to cope a lot, especially on YouTube, TikTok, this kind of platform, people that are talking about finances, right? So now this is the purpose for enacting this law. Now the fourth thing we're going to be talking about is that is the number 3 things we are going to be talking about, is the benefits of the license. That those people that have the license, what is their own benefits? So what are you going to be benefiting the moment you have the license, right? So let's just go and see some of the benefits listed right here. Number 1, once you have the license, you're going to be getting credibility, trust among followers and brands. Okay, now you can see, once you have this license, you because I know they're probably going to give you tests. You're going to check your financial base, your knowledge, right? So once you have this license, you have credibility and trust among your followers, right, and brands. So it's also going to help you and also boost your profile. 2, stronger collaboration opportunities with regulated financial firms and legal protection under a recognized framework. Enhanced visibility in crowded content space, right? Well, I think it's a good thing, right? I think it's a good thing, and it's a step towards the right direction, because truth be told, right, the whole countries in the world need to adopt this, right? I know me myself, we're probably as a financial analyst, we're going to be having issues getting license, right? But if whatever is going to take to sanitize the financial space, right, I think I support it, right? I support things like this. Okay, and now the fourth thing we're going to be talking about in this video is who needs to apply. So who needs to apply? Any financial content creator in the UAE, whether an individual or a business who earns income from promoting financial topics or influencing financial decisions online, must obtain a business license and then register with the SCA. These include influencers reviewing banks, credit cards, or trading platforms, content creators sharing investment advice, brand ambassadors for fintech, startups, or financial institutions. So if you are promoting OP and you are living in Dubai, bro, better go and get your license before you go land yourself inside big trouble. The English here is very simple for anyone to understand, right? So people like Dapo Willis is currently in Dubai. I hope you have gotten your license. If you are watching this video, maybe I'm the one that is even giving the information. Probably you don't even know. And I also heard that these FS goods, those South African twins, they have run back. They have run away from Dubai. It is serious. So what about Kojo? Look, Kojo sometimes we're talking about he was moving to Bar. Is he still there? If he's there, let him go and get his license. So let's go to the 5th part, which is penalty for not complying. I know a lot of you want to know. So if I don't comply, what are they going to do to me? All right, let's go there. These are the penalties for non-compliance, right? Number 1, fines can range from 3,000 dinar to 10,000 dinar for violation related to digital marketing, advertising license, and potentially up to 1 million dirham, right? So account suspension, content takedown, so they can take down your content. They can even take legal action against you. Business closure, so they can close your business if you are somebody that have business in Dubai. And then you have a loss of brand deals. So if you have any brand deals you can lose that deal because of this. If you violate any of this law, specific examples, you can pay up to 5,000 to 100,000 dirhams, right, for broadcasting, publishing, or sharing fake news content that breaches public morals or content that display UAE culture, right? So there is also the, okay, I've already mentioned this earlier. So these are the penalties for not complying with this rule, right? So I know this is government, they can decide to do all of them or choose any particular one once you violate their rule. So guys, if you are intending to go to Dubai, or you are in Dubai and you are a financial content creator, so it's good that you get your license. Yeah, get yourself licensed so you don't get yourself into some kind of trouble, right? So I hope this video is informative, right? I hope this video have had some kind of value. If you like it, just like the video. If you like it, like the video, and then probably share. If you have anything to say, drop your comment in the comment section. Let's hear what your opinion about this new law. Okay, and I'm going to be seeing you guys on the next one. Bye for now, and do take care of yourself.